Hey everyone, I wanted to give you a quick review of the Babyganics laundry detergent. I've been using it for several years now. I really like how it comes with this tape at the top to make sure that it doesn't spill over while it's in transport. I think that's great. I'll twist off the top here and give you an idea of what it looks like when you pour it. So this is how it looks when it comes out. And I like how you can actually use the top, if you want, of course, to pour right back into the dishwasher or back into the bottle if you need to. I think it's very good for washing clothes. Hasn't caused me any problems, and it's worked just as good as other typical and more popular laundry detergents that I've used.
If you're interested in purchasing this product, I will leave a link for you to be able to do so in the description. It is an affiliate link, so I will receive a commission if you do make a purchase, but it will be at no additional cost to you.